The father of Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa said, I asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, and I, Urwa, was minor then, what you say about Allah saying, no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for him that he may go round both. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 158. So I think, if a person does not march between them, he will earn no sin. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, if it were as you are saying, then the wording would have been like this: there is no harm if a person does not march between them. This verse was revealed about the Ansar who would wear ihram for Manat, and Manat is opposite to Qudayd, and they thought it best to march between Safa and Marwa. When Islam dawned and people asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for him, that they may go round both. Sufyan and Abu Muawiyah reported from Hisham, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu does not consider the Hajj and the Umrah complete until he marches between Safa and Marwa. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1790.